guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing my November bullet journal setup. If you're new to my channel, I do these bullet journal layouts every single month with a different theme. There are plenty for you to look back on if you're interested. I also have many more bullet journal posts on my blog, which will be linked below. But this month, my theme is reading. I was having a really hard time coming up with something for November. I personally don't find November super inspiring, but when I was thinking about what things come to mind when I think of November, it was a lot of coziness and rainy days, sitting by a fireplace if I had one, drinking some hot chocolate, that kind of vibe. So this month I'm embracing that cozy feel, and I'm doing a theme with lots of books and some teacups to go along with it. I hope this month's bullet journal setup can give you some inspiration for your own bullet journal. I did lots of fun layouts this month, which I'm excited to share with you. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. And let's get into it. Starting with my quote page, I'm writing out a Dr. Seuss quote to go with my reading theme for the month. The quote says, "The more you read, the more things you will know. The more you learn, the more places you will go." I'm drawing some books along the top of the page, along with a book at the bottom with some hands on it for the person reading it. The colors I'm working with this month are burgundy, brown, a yellowy orange, and dark green. On my cover page, I'm writing out the word November along with a teacup above it. I thought a teacup went well with the reading theme since this month is all about coziness. And although I don't drink tea, I think it looks cute, so that's what I'm going with. And like every page this month, I'm drawing a stack of books at the bottom. I'm also adding some lines to represent all of the pages. For my calendar spread, I'm writing November 2020 across the top, and then I'm drawing a large 2-page spread where each day of the month is 6 spaces wide by 6 spaces high. I'm also drawing a bookshelf on the left here with lots of books on the shelves. For my mood tracker this month, I'm drawing 3 shelves and filling them with lots of books, one for each day of the month, and then every day I'll color in one of the books with the color that corresponds to my mood that day. You'll see I draw a key at the bottom so I know which color goes with which mood. I also filled some of the blank spaces on the shelf with some other decorations, like a couple of flower vases and a picture frame. I started coloring in the flowers with pencil crayons, but then I decided I didn't really like the way that was looking, so I go over it with the Crayola Super Tip markers. All the supplies I'm using in today's video will be linked in the description box below. You can also check out my blog post that goes along with today's video if you want to see any photos of all of the pages. For my habit tracker this month, I'm tracking 6 habits, and for each habit, I'm drawing an outline of the month. Every day that I complete one of the habits, I'll color in one of the little squares. The mood tracker and habit tracker pages are always ones that don't look super colorful when you first make them, because the point is to fill them in as the month goes on. If you ever want to see how any of my mood trackers or habit trackers turn out at the end of the month, you can check out my Instagram page, which is Bujo with Andrea. And of course, I'm drawing a stack of books at the bottom, along with a teacup and a person reading up top. To make my highlights of the day page fit with the reading theme, I drew a large book in the middle of the page, and then I wrote 1 to 15 on the left side of the book and 16 to 30 on the right side. If you're new to my bullet journaling videos, I often make a highlights of the day page where I write down anything good that happened that day, whether it's watching a TV show, seeing a friend, it could be absolutely anything. Now onto my sleep tracker page. I'm just drawing a few books at the top because there's not too much room on this page for lots of doodles. I'm writing the dates down the left side of the page, so 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, etc. This represents each night, so the time that I slept from the 1st to the 2nd to the 3rd, that kind of thing. Normally I just write the hours of the night along the top of the page from 10 p.m. until 9 a.m. But this time I thought I'd try something a little bit different, so I wrote every hour of the night for every day of the month. I have to say, by the time I was partway done 10 o'clock, I was kind of regretting my decision. I think it looks pretty cool, but my hand was definitely tired by the end. In this video, I'll be showing you my first weekly layout for the month. If you want to see the rest of my weekly layouts, then just check my Instagram page every Monday because that's where I post them. This week, I'm doing a square for every day of the week, and each square is 11 spaces wide by 11 spaces high. I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday on one side, and Friday, Saturday, Sunday on the next page. I'm also including something different this week that I've never done before, which is a daily focus section. I drew a bookshelf to go with my reading and books theme, and then I drew one shelf for every day of the week. You could use this space for daily events or goals for the week, or if you wanted to track any habits here instead of on its own dedicated page. I'm going to try this daily focus method where I choose one main topic that I'm going to work on for the day, whether that's filming YouTube videos, working on my blog, doing batch work for Instagram or Pinterest, that kind of thing. To make the page a little more interesting, I'm adding colored drop shadows to each of the squares, and then I'm also adding some lines on either side of the days of the week. Here's the final flip through of my bullet journal setup for November. This was a really simple theme, but I really enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my November bullet journal setup. It's so hard to believe this year is coming to an end. I think we're all ready to say goodbye to 2020, but I hope the rest of your year is full of lots of happiness and good things. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and be sure to check out some of my previous videos if you've missed any, and I'll see you next time.